How would you like to design a mechanically functional sci-fi mech from start to finish in Plasticity, just like this one? And before you ask, no, you don't need to be familiar with Plasticity, you don't need to be a modeling expert, and you don't need to be an engineer or even technically minded person. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to design directly inside Plasticity. It's a lot of fun and you will learn a ton during the process. First, you'll learn how to block out complex mechanical forms very quickly that look well balanced and functional. You will not only learn powerful plasticity tools, but the entire workflow that you can apply to any model you want to create. You will learn how to bring your model from Plasticity to Blender via Plasticity Bridge. You will learn how I think when I'm modeling and how I make design decisions that make my models look insanely good from any angle, so that way you can apply the thought process to your workflow. And last but not least, you will learn how to create mechanically functional sci-fi designs that can be easily rigged and animated for any purpose. This course is about thinking and building like a professional hard surface designer. No more wasting time fighting with shapes and ideas and getting frustrated. Now, this course is split into 3 stages. Stage 1, we will block out and model the mech. This part is about 11 hours. Stage 2, we will model the cockpit interior. This part is about 6 hours. And stage 3, we will texture it, add more details, and then render it, which is about 4 hours. So let me break down those stages in detail. Stage 1, building the mech. In stage 1, you will learn a repeatable mechanical modeling workflow, a clear process for turning simple shapes into complex functional designs. You will learn how to start from basic objects and build complexity that follows principles of design, lock in strong proportions before adding detail, iterate on forms without starting over and over again or getting stuck, echo angles and design language for cohesion, use plasticity tools that transfer to any future projects. And you will also learn how to use booleans and curves and powerful design tools, create balanced planar shifts that make shapes interesting, and know when to bevel or chamfer and when not to and why. You will also learn how to build mechanical forms that actually feel real and also can be rigged and animated, and create clean surface transitions that read perfectly in renders. By the end of this section, you'll be able to design clean, believable and functional mechanical assets without worrying about topology at all. This section is insane and it's by far one of the most detailed and valuable hard surface modeling content we've ever made. But not as insane as the next one, which is the cockpit section. So in stage 2, we're gonna be modeling the mech's interior. See, most people can't design interiors, or if they try, they mess up the scale and proportions, clutter everything, or simply the end result doesn't look realistic at all. In this section, I will show you how to design a fully functional, believable interior cockpit that makes sense in terms of proportions, can be rigged and animated, and integrates clearly with the exterior shell. You will also learn how to work at proper scale so everything feels realistic and human-sized, lay out interior spaces logically, define functional zones like seating and controls, build layered details without visual chaos, also how to use negative space strategically, keep interior and exterior design language consistent, and so on and so forth. I'll also walk you through my thought process for how to plan for rigging and animation when you're designing, how to design interiors that fit naturally inside the mech, how to scale everything to human proportions. That's really, really important too. These are the things most artists never think about, and that's the reason why they aren't very good at modeling or design. And we're going to fix all that completely so you'll be able to model with confidence. And stage 3 is going to be texturing, detailing and rendering. So at this stage, I'm going to show you how to make this mech look polished and really finished. Not some, viewport screenshot, not hoping the lighting will work, but clean, simple cinematic render that clearly sells the design. You're going to learn how to set up simple, clean render scenes, light the model in a way that shapes and bevels look amazing, use highlights to show off planar minor shifts, texture and detail the mech using our add-on Materialworks, which by the way is included, add decals and trims for professional polish, choose camera angles that make designs look powerful, and also frame shots that actually get your attention on your portfolio. By the end, your work stops being unfinished and starts looking production ready. This is honestly one of the best and most in-depth courses we've ever created, and we've made a lot of damn good courses. This one is special. It's practical, it's beginner friendly without being dumbed down, and it teaches you how to deliver pro results with ease while having fun. So to sum it up, you get the entire mech modeling course, including the interior, texturing, detailing and rendering content, and also our best-selling add-on Materialworks and 10% off on Plasticity software, and all that for just $197. However, if you want to push your skills further, then grab the Platinum version, which offers 2 insane bonuses for just $100 more. And those include the Ultimate Guide to Plasticity course, in which I will show you how to model this insane sci-fi ship concept with interior, and this course retails at $197 in our store, and also our best-selling add-on Materialworks, which now includes our decal and trim sheet bundle for easy texturing and detailing your models in Blender, which also costs $197 in our store. So the Platinum version will save you $300. Lastly, if you want to learn how to rig and animate this mech, then don't forget to add the rigging and animation mini course to your order during purchase. I'll show you how to prep mesh for rigging, how to rig it and animate it, so you'll learn how to create and add amazing animations to your portfolio. This is legitimately the best course I think we've ever made. It's just insane and a lot of fun. It will skyrocket your skills to the next level in a matter of hours. And to make this an absolute no-brainer, you're covered by a 14-day money-back guarantee. So if you didn't have fun or you didn't learn anything, just mail us at info@blenderbros.com and we're gonna refund your money, no problem. So click the button below this video and grab the course. It's one-time payment with lifetime access. I'll see you inside.